How to find downloads on the iPad. The easiest way to find downloads on the iPad is to open up an application called Files. If you swipe down with your finger when you're on the home page of your iPad, where you see all the apps just like here, you will get this search field here on top. And here simply write Files. And then tap on Files to open up the Files application. Once in the Files app under Favorites, you should see your downloads, and if that is not the case, tap on iCloud Drive. And you should then see a folder called Downloads there. Simply tap on that to find and access your downloads on the iPad. Now let me also show you how to access downloads directly from Safari. First of all, I'm going to open up Safari by tapping on the Safari app. And now I'm here on an awesome website called The Font, where you can download a lot of different fonts. So for testing purposes, I would now download one of these fonts here. On the right side, I can simply tap on download to download this specific font. It now asks me if I really want to download that, so yes, I want to download, so I tap on download here again. And now to access this download, in the upper right corner of the screen, I will tap on this down arrow icon. And as you can see, we have the Manboard font there as well. Now all you need to do to access your download now is to press on this magnifying glass on the right side. And this will actually take us directly to our download within the Files application. And this is how you find your downloads on the iPad. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one, bye!